What's going on, everybody? And thank you for joining us on this snowy day. I'm Chef Will, and welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. So, I know this is the perfect time of season for this. Right now, we're in playoff time, and chicken wings are definitely a playoff go-to. So, about myself, born and raised in Maryland, but I am closer to the DC side of Maryland, PG County, my entire life. And one of the staples we have down there, close to that area, Mumbo Sauce. You go anywhere, you get chicken wings, you're getting Mumbo Sauce on them. So today, I'm showing you guys how to make Mumbo Sauce. You can make it spicy or you can make it mild. So it's very simple. First, you fry your chicken wings. So we've already got our wings fried. So now we're gonna get to our ingredients. Fried hard, just like I like them. So, ingredients are simple. You want ketchup, vinegar, soy sauce, a little salt and pepper, and paprika, brown sugar. And I also have here, because you have the option, if you want to make it a little extra spicy, add a little hot sauce to it, or add some crushed red pepper. I also have a little bit of water here in case I want to thin the sauce out a little bit. So pretty much we're just adding all of our ingredients to the pot. So I'm gonna start off with my ketchup. Times are hard, so we want to get every drop we can out of there. Now I'm gonna go with my soy sauce. Vinegar. I'm gonna add brown sugar. Paprika, salt, pepper. And, because I like things a little bit spicy, my hot sauce. I'm going to go with a nice medium heat. And we're going to mix this. So we're going to want our brown sugar to cook down. So you're going to kind of let the sauce just kind of simmer for about 15 minutes or so. Get all your brown sugar to cook down, get everything to reduce and kind of thicken up a little bit. And like I said, if it gets a little too thick, you want to like kind of thin it out a little bit, you can add water as much as you want to. So we're just going to get this sauce cooked down and then we're going to toss it on our wings. All right, so we've got our sauce simmering for a little while. Our brown sugar is melted down, or reduced, sauce is reduced down, thickened up a little bit. So now we're gonna pour this over top of our chicken, give it a good toss. Come on, come a little closer. Now, something you can always do, if you don't want to use brown sugar, but I prefer brown sugar because I like the flavor. Sometimes you add a couple of other things to add a little extra sweetness to it. A little molasses, a little blue agave, some honey. But I do like the brown sugar. Every once in a while, we'll add a little blue agave to it also. Now, I like all drums. I actually don't care about flats that much. I know those are fighting words for some people, but that is my preference. And here you go. All set for game day. Chicken wings with Mumbo sauce. All you need now is some fried rice with it. It'd be perfect.